Okay, now we're gonna mount the gate. I didn't build corners to really support this gate a lot because it's gonna be shut most of the time. So we're gonna mount the hinge side, and then I got a latch for over here, and it actually sits on that latch, so it's not gonna want to sag. So let's get after it. I like it. Well, we're using old fence here that I'd taken from our old garden, so it's kind of a pain unraveling.
And if you can't hear it, it's really, really wet.
Yeah, we've had about 4 inches of rain in the last week. Okay, so I got my electric fence charger mounted to the post here. And this is our ground, which goes to the ground wires, or the ground rods, sorry. And this is the hot wire, which is going to go to the fence.
The other end of that goes directly on the wire.
Here we're going to use one of these little connectors, clamp. We'll clamp this wire right onto the fence. Okay, here's my ground rods, and this ground that coming from the fence charger has to hook up to these. So Gonna run it right straight through so I can get both ground rods. The neighbor dogs want to bark. They want to be on video. Okay, we're gonna turn it on here and see what happens. Well, it says it is in the normal range. So now we're going to test it here. We got this little tester. You stick in the ground and hook it on the fence. And it's lighting up. It says 7,000 volts. So I think that might be hot enough to keep the critters away. Hopefully.